You must smell your fruit when your food's gone.
Smell.
I don't know how he's gonna get off the porch now.
Think I'll be still there in the morning?
Probably.
So loud. I'm gonna put this back. Gus is watching. Gus. I think he heard Gus and he's scared now.
Baby raccoon. Keep waiting for him to put his little paws up against the door.
Probably wants to eat that stuff.
It's grass seed. Probably. Well, if he did, I'd let him.